Energy Portal 5-5. Tomorrow, Sunday, we have the Energy Portal on 5-5. An energy portal is a process of alignment where we will receive a flow of very powerful light codes that will bring information. This will propel many toward an awakening of consciousness. The energies of this portal will drive us towards collective and personal change, awakening memories in our DNA that are resonating with the aspect of imbalance. It also helps us connect with our inner being to achieve balance and harmony. This portal opens on a Sunday, which is ruled by the sun. In astrology, the sun represents vitality, the deep self, your true essence, your way of being, and your divine spark. And the sun with the 12 zodiac signs, and this month, May 5th, which is in Taurus, helping you to shape your ideas and enjoy life through your 5 senses. Taurus will help you connect with the earth and nature. A good day to nourish yourself with the energies of Mother Earth, to fill yourself with her strength, her power. Tomorrow, May 5th, Jupiter and Uranus are in conjunction. Jupiter is the planet of abundance, growth, expansion, and development, while Uranus represents creativity, inspiration, freedom, equality, and eternity. A great energy is released, bringing many technological advances, and this will accelerate the digital world even more. Likewise, all fraternity expands, and love connecting with all people in all places of the world. Allow yourself to connect with your heart, to reconnect with your Christ energy, with our divine energy. The number 5 is spiritual, which also represents changes, love, and freedom of expression. Therefore, it invites us to explore our spiritual side, our inner world. You can perform an energy cleansing today to receive on Sunday the energies of this Portal 5-5. This will help you release and heal any trauma, pain, or wound from the past. Contact with nature, walking exercise is very important and beneficial for our well-being. Expressing mantras, dancing, singing, painting mandalas, drinking lots of water, eating healthy foods, etc. Activities that enhance your self-esteem, your self-love, and your value to create a new life and strengthen and empower yourself. Remember that the answers are inside you, and you can illuminate your path and live your own experiences. This will help you evolve, connect, and recharge with all the positive energy to balance your mind and spirit. I embrace you with love and wish you 70 times 7 luminous days with the energy of this Portal 5-5. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light serving on Gaia, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care deeply for you. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.